When you start up the EasyTurn display or go through a startup sequence, please ensure that everything stays the same. To program it for keypad mode, on the back of the display you have a reset button which you must hold down and cycle through until you get to the code SL and let go. Now that system is programmed for keypad use. Okay, so how does this work? So we grab our keypad with the RJ11 cable, we simply plug it in to the connector, and that will now power up our keypad, and we have the 3 dashes. We punch in number 23. It should now appear on the screen.